It is important to use the local sand of the job site. Class 1 is the worst. Class 2 is a little better. Class 3, better yet, but SPEC UVR is Class 4. It is important for the customer to know exactly what they are getting. A lot of times architects will put in Class 1, but they expect Class 4. Make sure the customer knows. SPEC UVR system components are A and B clear resin, hydrocrete with stock sand or plain, so you can add your own sand, color pack. Make sure you get all these items. These are all important items for doing a correct repair. Real simple. 2 ounces of A, 2 ounces of B, 6 ounces of hydrocrete and sand. Add your chosen color pack to the part B. Shake well to mix. You can use a small mixing blade that SSP Polymers can provide you. Measure out 2 ounces of part B into mixing cup. Add your hydrocrete to the part B first. Mix it thoroughly. Then add your part A. You have to move fast. A lot of times it's best to be mixing as you're walking toward where you're going to do the repairs. Keep your material cool. If your material is hot, it's going to kick up really quickly. You're not basting a cake, okay? You need to blow and go. You need to get the material out completely over the edges and high. Then process after about 1 hour. Water is important. What you're doing here is allowing the water to soak into the repair and harden the hydrocrete. So this is the sample in the crack. A little bit visible, but it needed to be grouted, which will be done on the rest of the floor. But we're good on color. You can see where the crack goes in. You can see where it comes out. And that's the kind of thing you want for surpassing a Class 4. So, first thing we wanted to do, and we already did over there, is match this. We got our color string right here with the different additives in it. This looks real good. This one is close, but we can still see the hint of green. So to get this color right here, what we need is we're in between this and this. So what this is consisting of, this repair, is they made these trenches way too wide for the electrical, and they didn't really have a good way to repair it, and it looks, well, you can see it looks really bad. It's all a brand new polished floor. So this is what we want for prep. This is all you need. Just a little lip. This can fade off into that sand. We had to go wide here because we didn't want to see any of the big rock. Just want to see the salt and pepper. So they got this on.
joint repair. Real easy to do. Avoid cutting things off straight and square. It's not necessary. Completely fill the joint. Let cure, then cut the joint. An 1/8 inch cut is all that's needed. These are some recommendations to help you have complete success when using SPEC UVR. If you have any questions, please call us.